Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm doing a video for a new YouTube Instagram hop that started this year called Rainbow Crush. Every month we will have a colour to work with and our layouts need to primarily be that colour. We can introduce other colours, but majority has to be that colour of the month. Now, I was meant to have this video out a few days ago. I'm running very late, but I decided to still do it. Better late than never, huh? So I've got photos here, a selection of items. Our colour for the month of January, I'm not sure I said it, is blue. So my paper here is blue coloured. And this, if you're interested, is from Uniquely Creative, Seize the Day collection. And yes, that's what I'm using. So I've curated just from my scrap boxes of bits and pieces, all sorts of blue elements, touch of green in there because there's a bit of like the greeny colour. Most is going to be covered anyway. But yeah, so anyway, that's what I've got. Let's get to it. Okay, there is my completed page. I fit a lot of photos on this page. They're 4x3 maybe. Yeah, 3x4 photos. And this is of a birthday cake that my daughter and I made for my husband one year for his birthday, and had all his favourite things on there. So your Tim Tams, your sour bear things, the sour straps, Maltesers, had all his favourite things. So it was lots of fun to make, and he really enjoyed it. And I've used mostly blue with a little bit of green thrown in as well. There's a playlist below in the description box so you can see what everyone else did with the colour blue this month, and make sure you come back next month to see what colour we'll be playing with. If you like this, please hit the like button, and also consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.